Adroit, meaning skillful and clever. Example, she's adroit at handling customer complaints with ease. Benevolent, meaning kind and well-meaning. Example, the organization was benevolent in helping the community. Candid, meaning honest and straightforward. Example, he gave a candid opinion about the new policy. Diligent, meaning hardworking and thorough. Example, her diligent efforts led to a successful project. Eccentric, meaning unconventional or quirky. Example, his eccentric style makes him stand out in a crowd. Feasible, meaning possible and practical. Example, is it feasible to finish the project by next week? Gregarious, meaning sociable and friendly. Example, she's gregarious and loves meeting new people. Haphazard, meaning lacking order, random. Example, his haphazard approach made it hard to follow his work. Impeccable, meaning perfect, without fault. Example, the chef's presentation was impeccable. Jovial, meaning cheerful and good-humored. Example, her jovial laugh lights up the room. Keen, meaning sharp or eager. Example, he has a keen interest in astronomy. Lucid, meaning clear and easy to understand. Example, the teacher gave a lucid explanation of the topic. Meticulous, meaning very careful and precise. Example, she's meticulous about details in her art. Novel, meaning new or unique. Example, he proposed a novel solution to the issue. Obstinate, meaning stubborn. Example, he remained obstinate despite the advice. Plausible, meaning believable and reasonable. Example, the argument was plausible given the evidence. Quaint, meaning charmingly old-fashioned. Example, they stayed in a quaint little cottage. Resilient, meaning able to recover quickly. Example, she's resilient and bounces back from setbacks. Sporadic, meaning occasional, not consistent. Example, his visits to the office are sporadic at best. Tangible, meaning real or touchable. Example, they needed tangible evidence to prove the claim. Unanimous, meaning fully in agreement. Example, the decision was met with unanimous approval. Vivid, meaning bright, clear, or detailed. Example, the movie had vivid imagery that left an impact. Witty, meaning clever and humorous. Example, her witty comments make conversations lively. Zealous, meaning passionate and enthusiastic. Example, he's zealous about environmental conservation. Affable, meaning friendly and easy to talk to. Example, she's known for her affable personality. Brusque, meaning abrupt and blunt. Example, his brusque manner can seem rude to others. Clairvoyant, meaning able to see beyond the ordinary. Example, her advice seems almost clairvoyant at times. Dapper, meaning neat and stylish in appearance. Example, he looked quite dapper in his suit. Eloquent, meaning fluent and persuasive in speech. Example, her eloquent speech won the audience over. Frugal, meaning economical and thrifty. Example, he lives a frugal lifestyle and saves a lot. Genuine, meaning real and sincere. Example, she gave a genuine apology for her mistake. Humble, meaning modest and not proud. Example, despite his fame, he's very humble. Ingenious, meaning cleverly inventive and resourceful. Example, the invention was an ingenious solution to a problem. Jubilant, meaning extremely joyful. Example, the team was jubilant after their big win. Kudos, meaning praise or recognition. Example, kudos to her for finishing the project early. Laudable, meaning worthy of praise. Example, her work on the campaign was truly laudable. Magnanimous, meaning generous and forgiving. Example, he was magnanimous in victory, praising his opponent. Nimble, meaning quick and light in movement. Example, she's nimble on her feet and a great dancer. Opaque, meaning not transparent, hard to understand. Example, his explanation was opaque and confusing. Pristine, meaning clean and untouched. Example, the forest was in a pristine condition. Quizzical, meaning puzzled or curious. Example, she gave him a quizzical look after his remark. Robust, meaning strong and healthy. Example, the new system is robust and can handle heavy traffic. Savvy, meaning knowledgeable and experienced. Example, she's tech savvy and can fix any gadget. Tenacious, meaning persistent and determined. Example, her tenacious spirit led her to success. Uncanny, meaning mysterious and extraordinary. Example, he has an uncanny ability to predict trends. Versatile, meaning capable of many things. Example, the actor is versatile and plays varied roles well. Whimsical, meaning playful or unpredictable. Example, the garden had a whimsical layout with hidden paths. Yearn, meaning to desire deeply. Example, he yearns to travel the world someday. Zestful, meaning full of energy and enthusiasm. Example, her zestful approach makes her classes exciting. Astute, meaning sharp and perceptive. Example, she's astute in her observations about human behavior.